Welcome to CU Labs, an initiative of Cambridge Intercontinental University. Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to tackle insider threats like a pro. Whether intentional or accidental, insider threats can wreak havoc on your organization, leading to data breaches, financial losses, and even reputational damage. First up, identifying red flags. Watch out for behavioral signs like disgruntled employees or those showing disengagement. If someone's working odd hours or requesting data outside their scope, that's a red flag. Financial struggles or sudden lifestyle changes can also signal trouble. Technically, keep an eye on unusual data transfers, multiple logins from different locations, and unauthorized software use. Unusual email activity, major red flag. Now, how do you prevent these threats? Implement a zero trust model. Only grant access to info necessary for each role and continuously verify identities. Security awareness training is key. Educate your team on best practices and encourage them to report anything fishy. Deploy monitoring tools like UEBA and DLP to detect anomalies and prevent data leaks. Multi-factor authentication is a must to stop unauthorized logins. It's also crucial to foster a strong organizational culture. Open communication and addressing employee concerns can reduce grievances. Clearly define policies and enforce off-boarding procedures, including immediate access revocation. So, what if you spot an insider threat? Have an incident response plan ready. Form a team with legal, IT, HR, and security personnel. Investigate carefully, gather evidence without tipping off the suspect. If it was accidental, retrain the employee. If malicious, disciplinary action is needed. Analyzing root causes and refining your policies post-incident is vital for future prevention. Insider threats are a growing concern, but with these strategies, you can identify, prevent, and mitigate risks effectively. Combine behavioral monitoring, technical controls, and a robust security culture to protect your critical assets. Stay safe and vigilant out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Catch you next time.